Hi, this is Rick with Restore Computer Solutions, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to center your web page inside of your browser. So let's go to our text editor. If you've watched this series of tutorials, you're going to be able to follow along where we're at. If you have not watched them, there's three tutorials before this that will help you get to this point in displaying a title, a paragraph, and an image. If you go ahead and watch those, every video is under 10 minutes and it's well worth it, and I explain what everything does rather than spending time reading a book. Not everybody has the time to do that, so let's get started here. Inside the body tag, okay, there's the body and the body tag, the closing body tag. Everything in here is what we see here on the browser. So let's go ahead and change the background color. Okay, so we're going to type in background color inside the tag equals, open close parentheses, we're going to do pound 784. Okay, and let's see what color that does for us. We're going to save this, refresh our browser, and we're in there. Let's say we want to change the text color. Type in text. It helps to at least get a HTML or CSS cheat sheet. That way you know what your options are within the divs. And I go ahead and offer those on my website if you want to take a look at those. Now let's go here, and inside of there we're going to pick white, so make sure you always use web-friendly colors. If you could get yourself a color wheel, it's going to help you out quite a bit. And let's save this and refresh our web page. Bam, we're in there, it's white. Now let's go ahead and center this web page. Now remember, everything that's displayed is right here inside of the body. So let's go ahead and create a div outside here, an alignment div. So it's going to be called div align, and this is all standard HTML practice here. Okay, these aren't just names that are coming up here. These are you can get these off of a reference cheat sheet, and we're going to say center inside the parentheses, and then we're going to close it out. So let's go over this. We're going to close out the div on the outside of the body. That way it closes out the div. Now if we had left it just like this, for example, with an opening div and no closing div, this is what would happen. We'd center it, but later on you're going to have issues in alignment and moving your web page around if you decide to use HTML and CSS. So what I always suggest is to close out all your tags. Okay, and we're going to save this, and there we go. We have everything centered, we have a new background color, and we have a title. It's very simple stuff, not hard to do. So if you guys like this video and it helped you out, give us a thumbs up. Like us on Facebook, helps us out. Other than that, have a great day. We're going to be coming out with more tutorials on CSS. That way, if you want to take this type of website and make it a little bit more dynamic or move it around a little bit, we'll show you the ways that you can do that in a few tutorials just like this that'll get you up and going. And then from there on, from then on, it's about kind of digging into a cheat sheet or a book to find what other options you have, since you already have the basic knowledge of how to put it together. Alright, well, we're a web design company. If you guys are out there looking for somebody to design a website, that is what we do. We specialize in CMS and e-commerce websites. So give us a call at 949-705-7906, or send us an email at wefixit@restorecomputersolutions.com. Alright, have a great day. Thank you. Bye.